Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there you get the Wi-Fi icon. Just to turn on the Wi-Fi, tap here once on the icon, and then when the item will in blue color, that means that you just activate the Wi-Fi. And just to enter Wi-Fi settings, to choose the network, hold for a while the icon, and you'll just launch your Wi-Fi settings. And if you wanna then turn off the Wi-Fi, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, you can make that by this second way. Just go to the settings application, and here tap to the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate the Wi-Fi, tap once here on the switcher, and right now you can see here all the available networks, and you can choose one from this network. For example, I'll go in with this one, and now just enter here the password. In my case, that's from 1 to 8, and here you can just tap on the eye icon to see the password, and then just tap here to connect. And as can you see, our device is successfully connected to this network. Also, if you want, you can select another network. Just tap here to the previously one, and here tap to forget this network. And now just go back. Oh, sorry, I just launched the Google Assistant. Now we'll just go back to the Wi-Fi settings, and here, as can you see, we got the another network, and by the same way you can select the new one. Here enter the password and then just connect. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.